In this podcast, I'm going to discuss how the year 2025 will be for you if your driver is 4, 5, and 6. Now, how to find out your driver? Just add the date of birth. So, let's say if I was born on 14th of a month, I would add 14. So, 1 plus 4 is 5. Likewise, if I was born on 1st of any month, I would add 0 and 1. So my driver would be 1. In this podcast, I'm only discussing the drivers 4, 5, and 6. So quickly, just pick a pen and paper or just calculate it in your mind and find out your driver. If it comes to 4, 5, or 6, then this video is for you. Hello, and welcome back to my series for numbers for the year 2025. You are watching Shruti Bharadwaj, the numerologist, and you are on my page. Listen to your numbers. In my previous video, I have explained how 2025 is going to impact the drivers 1, 2, and 3, or what 2025 has in store for these three numbers. Now we're going to study or do analysis for the drivers 4, 5, and 6. Without much ado, let's dig into the analysis now. Okay, let's start with the analysis for number 4. If you were born on 4th of any month, 13th of any month, 22nd of any month, or 31st of any month, the driver for you is number 4. The planet for number 4 is Rahu or North Node of Moon. People with this planet, they have strong mental abilities. They can use their mind in different ways. They are the one who act upon something. Sometimes we just make plans and they keep sitting in our notebooks. We never act upon it. But people with this planet, people with number 4, they act upon things. They are one of them. Now, the year 2025 is the year of Mars, which is expecting you to be disciplined, sattvic in behavior, or balanced in behavior, and having good deeds. The relationship between these two planets, Rahu and Mars, or North Node of Moon and Mars, is not so great. If you have done some sort of bad deed knowingly or unknowingly in the past, 9, the year 2025, the number 9 can bring punishment or can punish you for that sort of deed. If you are in business or if you are in a job or a business which requires sales, or you are in IT field or hardware kind of field, or doing something with your hands where, like you are into gardening or you are a carpenter, blue collar jobs, you will see good results as long as you are disciplined, consistent, working hard, and keeping your deeds clean. The message for you this year is keep your karma clean, keep your deeds really clean. Don't hurt anyone. Try not to hurt anyone. The remedies for you is read Shiv Chalisa or Hanuman Chalisa if you understand what this is, or just do your regular prayers. Whatever religion you are, please follow your regular prayers. Don't skip them. It is very important for you this year that you pray to God and offer gratitude to God. Yes, again, keep your karma clean. Don't use harsh language. This is one of the remedies for you. Don't use harsh language. Don't be mean to anyone knowingly or unknowingly. Keep your speech clean basically. Don't get into fights with anyone. Avoid fights this year. Another remedy for you, especially for number 4, all of their life, whenever they feel that they are struggling with something, make sure you start getting organized. You should be organized anyway. So keep your surroundings clean, keep your room clean, keep your wardrobe clean, keep your desk, study desk, or work desk clean. Stay organized. If you help someone who is stuck into a situation and try to help them and help them to come out of that situation, it is eventually going to help you. It is going to bring good deeds for you, and it is going to give you good results. So if you can help people, that's great for you. Be nice to people. That's the main message for you. Keep your karma clean and you will be good. That's it for number 4. We'll be talking about number 5 now. For number 5, for someone who is born on 5th of any month, 14th of any month, 23rd of any month, the driver number is 5. The planet for number 5 is Mercury or Mercury. The year 2025 is the year of Mars. The relationship between these two planets, Mercury and Mars, the relationship is good. Now, you would see good results if you are acting according to the rules of this planet, Mars, which is actually the main planet for 2025. You will see good results if you are staying sattvic, disciplined, consistent. With number 5, sometimes they get laid back. So this is not the year for laziness. So be sure that you're putting that hard work in place. If you're in a job or business which is related to communication, finance, luxury like luxury hotels, restaurants, or any sort of luxury business like salon, boutique, then you'll see there is a lot of growth and opportunities for you. You can also see growth in creative fields. The only thing that you need to be very careful that you put that legwork. You work hard this year. No opportunity would be coming towards you unless you put that hard work. So don't be lazy. Give up laziness for this year. Another thing for number 5 is that if they are helpful to people, it's just like number 4. If they can help other people, they'll see results, good results for themselves. They'll see that they're anything which is stuck for them, it's now moving if they have done any sort of good deed or if they have helped people around them. The last remedy and biggest remedy for people with number 5 is that they eat a lot of green vegetables. Keep raw greens in their meals. Very simple remedies anyone can follow, and prayers are the biggest remedies for anyone. If you are doing your prayers regularly, you don't need to worry about anything, any planets or any numbers. So that's it for number 5. We'll dig into number 6 now. For number 6, the analysis for 2025 for anyone who was born on 6th of any month, 15th of any month, or 25th of any month. The driver is number 6. The planet for number 6 is Venus. Venus is the planet of luxury. The year 25 is the year of discipline, sattvic behavior, good deeds, and the planet is Mars. Relationship between these two planets, Venus and Mars, is an anti-relationship. It's an enemy relationship, I would say, because of the nature of these two planets. Both of them have entirely different or opposite nature to each other. Venus wants you to be indulging into pleasure, luxury. However, Mars, the year 25, this wants you to stay disciplined, have sattvic behavior, good deeds. So that's why there's a war going on between these two planets. So the relationship is not great. So what's gonna happen if you have done any sort of mistake? The year 2025, Mars can bring punishment, so can punish you. The idea is that you play by the rules of Mars for this year. Because you're Venus, you will have a lot of luxury all your life. If you can stay if you can stay in discipline for just 1 year, which is the year 2025, then you can reap benefits from the year 2025 because 2025 still has a lot to offer to you if you play by its rules, which means you stay disciplined, you stay sattvic, good deeds, and do your prayers regularly. If you are into communication, finance, luxury industry, you can see benefits only at one condition: if you are being disciplined and consistent and putting up the hard work which is required for that particular job or task. So that's it for number 6. You will see me in my next video for rest of the numbers. Thank you very much for listening to me. Stay blessed, stay healthy.